In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add your own domain to Vivaldi and create short URLs. By default, Vivaldi shortens long URLs using the domains vvd.bz or vvd.im, but this time we'll use your own domain instead of Vivaldi's default domains. The custom domain feature is available starting from the premium plan. The premium plan includes one domain slot, and the business plan comes with 2 slots by default. If you need more domains, you can simply purchase additional slots. The cost to use one domain for a year is 50,000 Korean won. That's approximately $35 US. You'll receive a reminder email before the domain expires. To purchase a domain slot, you need to have a balance in your Vivaldi account. Vivaldi uses a prepaid system, so you can charge your account first and then use that balance to pay for features. In addition to the preset payment options, you can charge any custom amount you prefer. However, this option is only available when you charge at least 200,000 Korean won. Just enter the domain name here, excluding the HTTP or HTTPS protocol. You can type a domain you already own or one you plan to purchase. The redirect URL lets you choose which web page to show when someone visits your domain without a link ID. You can enter your website address or simply use your blog URL. If someone enters a wrong or non-existent link ID, like a typo or incorrect capitalization, they'll get an HTTP 404 error. In that case, you can choose how to handle the error. If you select the Go to Redirect URL option, the user will be redirected to the specified URL when visiting the domain without a link ID. Registering your domain on Vivaldi does not make it available for use immediately. Domains are processed every hour by the system, and the name servers must point to Vivaldi's name servers to be accepted. To check Vivaldi's name servers, just click the View button. If the name servers don't match Vivaldi's, you'll need to update them from the website where you bought the domain. If you haven't purchased the domain yet, buy it first and then set the name servers to Vivaldi's. If you haven't purchased a domain yet, you can buy one from websites like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Once you update your domain's name servers to Vivaldi's, the system will automatically process it within an hour and send you a notification email. After receiving the email, you can visit this page to see the status change to active. You haven't created a short URL with your domain yet. Let's try accessing the domain without a link ID. Since the redirect URL was set to Google, you were taken to the Google website when accessing the domain alone. Vivaldi allows you to register and manage up to 10 subdomains. You can also create short URLs using any of the registered subdomains. You can now see that the subdomain you just registered is displayed in the combo box. Let's change the redirect URL from Google to CNN when accessing the domain without a link ID. Try Vivaldi now.